FMS Robotics, automation for better future. We define automation as the creation and application of technology to monitor process, control production, supply of the products and its services. A unique developed FMS consists of 8 different stations programmed by a single PLC, wherein different components of various brands like Mitsubishi, Baumer, Festo, Sika G, Janetix, Pneumatic, Siemens. Let's look on different stations. Feeding station, drilling station, inspection station, sorting based on material, color sorting station, metal, non-metal sorting, based on color sorting, live simulation, high-quality live feed, easily controlled using HMI, daily data analysis. This station serves real-time various industrial applications. Our valuable customers. FMS Robotics, automation for better future.